everyone and welcome back. So today I have a very exciting video and it involves whatever's in here. So my 2-year wedding anniversary has just passed and this is a gift from my husband and I am so excited. I am such a big Taylor Swift fan. So today I will be unboxing the Taylor Swift edition of the Instax Polaroid camera and I'm really excited. It seems like a really great Polaroid camera. Just from reading the box I can see that it has an automatic exposure control, a selfie mirror, a landscape mode, double exposure mode and lighten and darken mode. I also got the Taylor Swift edition of the Polaroid film. It's a 10-pack. It's a black frame and it has her signature on it. And then I also got a 20-pack of the normal Instax film. Here we go. Okay, so it comes with the instruction manual. So it comes with the Polaroid strap as well, which is very handy. And here is the case as well, so I'll just undo this and show you. Very sleek design. And it says Taylor Swift. The camera. I'm so excited. Okay, let's turn it on. It's just up here. I'm guessing it goes this way. Okay. So that's in. So here's the test shot. Oh wait. So this is just the thing that you're supposed to get rid of to start the film. So let's try that one more time. And it's coming out of the top. So here's the moment of truth. Here is the test shot. I think it came out really well. I think it's really good quality. It picks up everything. Love the size. It feels really good in the hand. So that's my unboxing of the Taylor Swift edition of the Instax Polaroid camera. I am in love. Hope that you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time. Bye.